Catapults looking at it with 2 wins under their belt against Ryan Mujanel's Bruins club already. McGing and Brown get the signal from Jack Young, and we're off and running on a sold-out Saturday night. Get used to me saying, center comes McGing. McGing to the Providence zone, poke check, but comes free for Peterson. He steps in and shoots, he scores! Peca into the Bruins zone. Right wing feed lock. Trailer coming late to shoot him, and he shoots and scores! Near side for Riley Tufte, and now Millman from the point. A wrister, they score! Lysell got a match game between these two. Ellis up the near side. Loof got handcuffed. Harrison moves in and scores! Letary is loose. Letary in on a 2-on-0 blocker save. Ellis. 2-on-2 as Dickinson enters the zone. Chipping to the point. Bushinger turns and fires. He scores! A heavy battle with Sweezy, worked it onto Luff, out in front. Dvorsky turtles it up and shoots. He scores! Looking it over, in low to Brown. Arkulov on the right circle with it. Moves in, fires the back post. Brown taps it in. It loose, right wing circle. Matthew Peca to the front, circles the net, stops, waits, centers, McEachran, he scores! Dane from Kessel. Tufte now from the trapezoid, using that big reach, got it in front, they score. Rolling it softly in front. Ellis ahead for Skinner. He hammers it through center. Peterson chasing Jones into the Bruins zone. It rolls loose and into the net! Dylan Peterson! Really tested T-Bird fans and the T-Birds team emotionally. But after the dust settled, the T-Birds emerge victorious against the Bruins on Throwback Night. They win it 6-4. And we'll wrap it when we return. T-Birds hockey brought to you by MGM Springfield.